Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome into my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss an important topic, that is Rutherford atomic model. What is Rutherford atomic model? Rutherford performed an experiment to determine the internal structure of an atom in 1911. For this purpose, he used a thin 0.0004 centimeter gold foil. The gold foil was surrounded by a photographic plate or zinc fluorescent screen to detect the alpha particle emitting from the radiations. Here we see a diagram. In this diagram, Rutherford take a thin gold foil and the lead container source, that is the polonium radioactive elements. Here he take radioactive element, and this is the photographic films, and this is the zinc sulfide screen, and this is the alpha particles of source. This screen is a photographic plate or luminous plate. So Rutherford bombarded these alpha particles to the gold foils. He bombarded the gold foil with alpha particles. Round about he take 20,000 alpha particles from a radioactive source, that is polonium metal. He observed that most of alpha particle, 9,990 particle, pass through the gold foil without change in any directions. These particles, maximum particles, cannot change their directions, and they directly pass to the gold foil. It shows that most of the volume occupied by the atom is empty. From these particles, it shows that the most of the space in atom is empty. Some particle 8 were deflected round about small angles. Only few were bounced back. Few particles were bounced back, and they bounce back at their original way. They can means these particles cannot go their original way. They bounce back. Rutherford conclude that atom contain a positive portion. From these particles, Rutherford conclude that a positive portion, he called this positive portion that the center of atom, that is the nucleus. So alpha particles passing near this portion were repelled because alpha particles are also positively charged particles, and similar charges repel each other. If alpha particle passing very closely to the nucleus, they are deflected through large angle. Similarly, if they do not pass close to nucleus, they either get deflected through very small angle or do not get deflected at all. Means when alpha particles strike to the nucleus, here proton are positive charged, so they are deflected because like charges repel each other. On the basis of his conclusion drawn from his experiment, he proposed a new model of atom called planetary model. Rutherford, on his conclusion, they drawn from a new model of atom that is also called planetary models, similar to solar system, which put all the proton in the nucleus and the electron orbited around the nucleus like planet around the sun. This is just like to the solar model that planets are revolve around the sun. So protons are in the nucleus and electrons revolving around the nucleus like planet around the suns. Finally, requested to the new viewers that please subscribe to the channels. There are new viewers on my channels. Please watch, comment and like videos.